go, boys. Hyperbusa testing round 5 or something. I don't know. This is going to be a half-mile pull coming up, guys. Let's see how this thing does. This is only like, remember, the 3rd or 4th attempt with it. So, here we go, baby. Come on, baby, let's go. Like this thing. Oh my God. This should be a fun one. We're lined up beside another Gen3 Hayabusa. He's got it set up really well. It's a stock engine, but he's got it set up and prepped extremely well. Let's see how we can do with him. Here we go, boys. Try it one more time and see how the wind does this way.